Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
People will suffer. I swear. You people will suffer. All that you people have done to me. All that you people have done to me. Whatever you people made me paid. All that you people did to me, to see me suffer, to disgrace me for no reason. My God will deal with you people one by one. You are three. You are three. In my room here, I naked myself and I cry on God because I'm a poor child. I'm working hard to eat. I'm working hard, forcing to eat. And you are in your house. You that you have everything. You still think about me to bring me down. They read you people smoke on my head. God do bring you people down one by one. Markets. 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 And after all of them come down, I'll do a video and mention their name and refer you people. And refer you people. And refer you. Me, I won't bring any audio. I won't bring any audio of their peer calling me to tell me what they did when I was being jailed. I won't bring any audio. But God is working and fighting for me already. God is fighting for me already. I swear. The day I was being jailed, they called themselves to go and smoke weed because me, have been jailed. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Keep on smoking weed on my head. Keep on smoking weed on my head. Keep on praying to see my downfall. A young girl like me, you are older than me. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Have I come to fuck your father or your mother? Do I fuck the dicks you fuck? Do you see me around any dick that you people fuck? Do you people see me around any dick, the big man you people fuck? I'm always in my room thinking about myself. But you still think and try and plan. Whenever you see me being happy on my page, you plan evil for me to go down. You plan evil. Evil for me to go down. What? What do I have? Because Cardi B came to twerk with me. Because Cardi B looked down on you people. So you have putting that on your mind. You want to plan evil for me. Keep on planning evil. Let them kill me. Let me go. I will go, but you will suffer. You will not turn to stone. You will never turn to stone. You see? You see what is happening? It's God. You see what is happening? It's God. I've never insulted you before. You insult me. I don't even talk about it. You insult my mother. You insult my parent. But you still plan evil for me. You should go and smoke weed on my head. You should go and smoke weed on my head because I've been jailed. You are three. You called each other. They've jailed her. Let us go and smoke weed. You go mad. We smoke weed for better purpose. But if you go and smoke weed on your fellow person who doesn't think evil for you, if you go and smoke weed for your fellow women downfall, you go crazy and you be ashamed and God will disgrace you. God will disgrace you all one by one. Watch it. Keep on planning evil for me. Bring another one. Bring another one. Disgrace me. Disgrace me. I'm telling you. Most of our big people, our president Nelson Mandela was being jailed. Don't you know that? Our late president Jerry John Lawrence was jailed. But he came out to be a president. Do whatever you want to do to me. You can kill me. But God will punish you all one by one. And yours will be a disgrace. Yours will be a disgrace. Let me tell you. Yours will be a disgrace. Mine, you kill me and I'll go. You kill me and I'll go. But yours, you watch and see. Watch and see. Just watch and see. Watch and see. Just watch and see. Watch and see. I'm telling you. What did I do that they took me to jail? I never knew that taking picture with my son half naked would take me to jail. Good. But you went to smoke weed the day they jailed me. Your peers told me. Your peers told me the day I was being jailed. 3 of you called yourself to go to one person's house to go and smoke with you. I know you are using fake account to watch. And you know what I'm saying is true.